Femininity can mean different things to different people. In the past, society often focused on outdated gender roles, highlighting girly traits and dependence on men. But here's the thing, being more feminine isn't about fitting into someone else's mold. It's about embracing who you are, gaining confidence, and expressing your unique style. In today's fast-paced world, tapping into your feminine side is a transformative experience that goes beyond society's expectations. It's about looking within for inspiration, not relying on others to define you. Regardless of your gender, everyone has an amazing, essential feminine side just waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and self-expression? Join us as we explore simple yet powerful ways to embrace your femininity, unlocking your true potential and celebrating the incredible person you are. If you find our channel helpful, please subscribe and consider joining our membership program. Your support will help us continue to create content that is valuable and supportive to the trans community. Thank you for being here. We're so glad to have you as a part of our community. Have you ever thought about what it means to be feminine? It's all about feeling confident, beautiful, and special in your own way. Each person has their own version of femininity, and it's exciting to explore and show it through the clothes we wear. Let's explore some fun ways to embrace your femininity and create a style that is uniquely yours. When it comes to expressing your femininity, dresses and skirts are like magical clothing options. They come in so many colors and styles. You can find fancy black dresses for special occasions or light and flowery skirts for those sunny, joyful days. When you put on a dress or skirt that makes you feel comfortable and happy, it shows others how amazing and confident you are. Did you know that your body shape is unique and beautiful? Embracing your curves is a fantastic way to enhance your feminine style. Choose clothes that fit well and flatter your body shape. Clothes that hug your curves in just the right way can make you feel even more feminine and confident. Remember, your body is wonderful just as it is. Patterns and styles can also play a role in expressing your femininity. Delicate fabrics like lace, silk, or velvet can add a touch of femininity to your outfits. You can also try incorporating eye-catching patterns like florals or polka dots into your wardrobe. These choices allow you to express your feminine side in a fun and creative way. Colors have a special power to enhance your femininity. While there are no strict rules, feminine looks often include bright and vibrant colors. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold color choices. You can add a splash of color through your shoes or even with some playful and colorful makeup. Accessories like scarves, bags, or headwear can also bring a feminine touch to your outfit. Jewelry is like a little extra sparkle that can make you feel confident and special. From necklaces to rings, jewelry adds a feminine touch to your overall look. Pieces with stones like diamonds or rubies are often considered more feminine. However, what matters most is how they make you feel when you wear them. Remember, femininity is not just about how you dress, it's also about your confidence and attitude. Embrace who you are, love yourself, and enjoy life. When you feel comfortable and happy in your own skin, you radiate femininity naturally. Let your unique style and personality shine through. So, embrace your femininity with joy and excitement. Have fun experimenting with different styles, colors, and patterns that make you feel confident and beautiful. Celebrate your uniqueness and let your true self shine brightly. Let's talk about appearing feminine, express your true beauty. When it comes to appearing more feminine, there are some simple and fun things you can do to enhance your natural beauty. Let's explore them together. First, let's talk about scents. Using perfumes subtly can make you smell nice and feel confident. Just a spritz or two of your favorite perfume in the mornings is usually enough. Smelling great has always been a part of the feminine image and can make you feel more attractive. Makeup is another way to express your femininity. While it's not necessary, it can be a fun way to experiment with different looks. You can try painting your nails, experimenting with new makeup styles, or even taking inspiration from your favorite celebrities. Remember, though, that natural beauty is the most important thing, and confidence is what truly makes you shine. Walking like a woman can also enhance your feminine appearance. It's all about good posture and adding a few extra steps to your walk. Keep your shoulders back, elevate your chest, and swing your hips slightly as you take each step. Walking slowly and gracefully can make you feel more feminine and confident. Long hair has been traditionally associated with femininity, but remember that it's not a requirement. If you choose to grow your hair out, take good care of it by brushing and conditioning it regularly. You can also try different hairstyles like ponytails or braids. Body hair is a personal choice. Some people prefer to remove visible body hair, like on their legs or underarms, as it is often seen as a feminine trait. Others may choose to keep their body hair as it is. The most important thing is to do what makes you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Lastly, don't forget the power of a genuine smile. Smiling not only makes you happier, but it also shows off your friendly and caring personality. Being open and helpful is a wonderful way to express your femininity. Remember, though, that it's okay not to smile all the time. We all have tough days, and it's important to honor our feelings. So, embrace your true beauty and express your femininity in a way that feels right for you. Whether it's through scents, makeup, walking with grace, or simply being yourself, remember that true beauty comes from within. We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.